Alright. I'm going to pull the bottom cover off. Alright, I got all the screws out of it. I'm putting this on the chair because the edges of this are really sharp. It'd tear up my bench. I guess I'd probably have to pull these also. I was hoping I wouldn't have to. Looks like you do. I've never worked on one of these. Oh, no. There's another screw hiding right here. I didn't see it because the light's not real good in here. Yeah. Okay. Let's put this back in here. Okay. Alright. It's pretty nasty. Alright. We'll deal with that in a little bit. Basically, though, we just want to get in here and see and make sure we don't see anything funny. We're looking to see if there's anything weird going on. It's very clean in here. We don't want to touch any of that crap because it's been on recently. And we should be able to get right into the volume control and spray it. These ones here, they're not happening. Not going to be able to get into there from that part. This board here is kind of a little funky for accessing. Everything looks pretty good. Interesting, it says Elna on the board, which is the capacitor company. We got bleeder resistors. The way things were built, this is almost like what they would call, boutique point-to-point wiring. Like what you would find in guitar amplifiers. I mean, everything's, they use these things to wind these. I remember Radio Shack used to sell the wire winders. Very solid core wire. You'd wind it to the post. It's such a better construction than the things that we find today. And just a whole lot less trouble and problems. So, yeah, looks pretty good. So we're going to get in here and spray the controls. And then hopefully that'll solve our popping problem. We'll leave it on for a couple of days in the house and just listen to some music on it. So it should be good to go. So that's inside of it.